Hey everyone, it is Bridget here from Bridget's Kitchen. Hoping you are all well. Well, Bridget's Kitchen, not really, right? You're kind of looking behind me and going, not used to that view. Actually, Bridget is currently situated in the most beautiful part of the world. I am in the Gold Coast. And I'm in a wonderful part of the Gold Coast. It is called Miami Beach. And Miami Beach is like literally, I know, not Miami Beach, Florida, Miami Beach, Queensland, just in the Gold Coast, 45 minutes out of Brisbane. And I'm here to do the last Queensland book launch slash cooking class, masterclass here behind me, as you can see. Can you see that? Yep, just behind me there's my kitchen. It's been my kitchen for the last 3 days and I've absolutely adored it. So we're doing, I'm setting up now, just finishing the last bits of setup, and hello. Bonjour Anna, and hello to Thomas as well. Thank you for joining me, guys. But I'm here standing in this amazing space. It's so gorgeous, it's so wonderful. The weather, let's just get serious here. Oh my god, the weather in the Gold Coast is like next level amazing, just so gorgeous. I mean, I have to be honest with you, I haven't spent much time outside. I have been spending a lot of time indoors because I've been doing all these amazing cooking classes. But can I show you what I've been looking at? Even though I haven't spent much time outdoors, I have the most amazing view here in Miami Beach. Let me show you my view. Look at that. So that's up my windows. This is what I've woken up to. This is what I'm looking at from my kitchen as I'm prepping up, getting ready for everyone who is coming along to our cooking class tonight, our book launch tonight, which is for the cookbook More from Bridget's Healthy Kitchen. And I get to look at this. Should we go outside? It might be a bit noisy, but let's go, because who doesn't want to hear? I just got to open here we go. Who doesn't want to hear the sound of the waves? You might be able to hear. Okay, pause. There we are. I'm back. This is the sound of the ocean from my apartment. Oh my goodness. It's like 20, I think it's about 28 degrees right now. We've got people surfing. We've got people running. And it is just phenomenal here in Miami Beach in Queensland. Just absolutely gorgeous. But like I said, I haven't even been down on the beach yet because I've been busy, but busy's okay. Turn back to me so we can see where we're going. Hi, it's me again. Hi. I've been busy, but I've been a good busy. Because good busy means that I'm getting ready for this cooking class and this master class. I'm going to try and reverse, beep, beep, I'll put on the reverse signals, beep, beep, close the door, there we go. Oh, it's quieter now. So, yeah, this is, hang on, I'll go this way so you can see. Sorry. This is the space for our cooking class today. And I have to tell you guys, come with me. It is the most gorgeous little kitchen that we have here. Absolutely stunning, just really, really cute, really workable too, which from a chef's perspective, you always want workable, and this space is workable. And today, of course, why we are here and why we are doing what we're doing is because we are launching in Queensland my latest book, which is More from Bridget's Healthy Kitchen. Which is of course award-winning. It just won a massive award, a global award. It was named one of the best cookbooks for 2019, and it won the best cookbook for diet and wellness in New Zealand for 2019. Because I'm still a New Zealand author, so they still give me these amazing accolades, which is fabulous, and that's where we are. But what I want to teach you guys today is a little recipe that's actually from my ebook that I think I released it last week, which is Bridget's Healthy Christmas, which was 50 festive recipes for Christmas, party season, all that sort of stuff. And I'm serving it today. If you're coming along to the book launch cooking class, this is for you. I'm actually making this for you right now. I'm serving it for you guys today, and that is my lemon meringue tarts. And the tart cases, because you make 3 components. The first thing you do is you make the tarts, and then after you've made the tarts, I've got the tarts actually here. Let me show you. Got the tarts here. Here we go. So once you've made the tarts, which is the cases here, once you've made the cases, you then make the lemon curd. Of course, everything is sugar-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free because I love ya. In fact, this component right here, this is vegan. There's not even any eggs in this. This is vegan right here. So plant-based cooking right here. So you make the cases, you make the lemon curd, which by the way, if you've had my bruisely, if you've got my bruisely recipe, which is Bridget's muesli, this morning was actually about lunchtime. I had, you see that lemon curd? I used that on my bruisely instead of coconut yogurt. Oh my god, it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. So first you make the cases, then you make the curd. But of course, it's a lemon meringue tart. So what you need from your lemon meringue tart there is you need to pipe the meringue on top. So I'm going to teach you guys really quickly, really simply, how to pipe the meringue, because there's a little bit of a technique involved. And once you see the technique, and if you've seen any of my photos that I've posted of all these amazing lemon meringue tarts that I've been making, there is a little bit of a secret, a little bit of a trick to making the meringue look really amazing. So let's start with that. I'm also going to call on Mahi. He's hiding in the room. He's going to watch. I'm hoping he's watching this video. Mahi, he's down that way. He's like hiding in the room. Mahi's going to bring me hopefully my, because I left it down the other end of the apartment. It's down. Shall we just go and get it? All right, let's go and get it because he may not actually get my video. So I know he's watching, but he might be just like watching and not observing watching. I'm just walking down the hallway. Oh, here he is. He was watching. It's all right, I got it. Oh, actually, you know what? It might be messy in there. I just need my little torch. He knows where it is. Let's reverse. Beep, beep. Put on the reversing signals again. He's gonna bring it. Oh, there's no steps. Wonderful. All right. Oh, we're back into the main part of the house. So, Mahi's gonna bring me my little blowtorch, because that's how I glaze the tops of my meringue. So let me put you there, because you know you're on a little, you're on a, oh, sorry guys. Oh, I've got to get it in absolutely in the right place. Absolutely in the right place. Okay, right, I'm trying to just make sure that you